Yeah, my name is Tormod Larsen. I'm the CTO for ExteNet Systems. ExteNet Systems design, build, own, and operate distributed networks across North America. We do that both indoor and outdoor. We've done quite a bit of installations, obviously nationwide, of distributed networks. As examples, here in Chicago, we've done the building we're in here right now, which is Montgomery Place. We also did Village Tower, which is 4.5 million square feet, 110 stories. We've done Trump Tower, Navy Pier, and we've also done a lot of outdoor areas, so both in and around downtown Chicago, but also out in the suburbs. We've done similar networks in pretty much every major metropolitan city in the US and also some in Canada. We see a tremendous growth in distributed networks, and the reason is that our customers have seen a significant improvement in data throughput specifically and capacity in the networks. In some cases, that's been 150, 160% improved data throughput. We also see a lot of in-building projects being driven by the fact that they try to offload the capacity in the macro environment. So the Village Tower was a good example of that, where they want to try to get, offload the macro environment by installing an in-building system. Same thing in the outdoor, by bringing the network closer to the user, we're able to significantly improve the capacity and the data throughput in the networks, which is obviously very important with the next 4G LTE networks. We're seeing obviously the demand for distributed networks, both from an indoor and outdoor perspective. The verticals that we are focused on and we see a lot of traction is in healthcare, higher ed, actually more and more in commercial real estate, some in hospitality, larger hospitality, hotels, casinos, and so forth, and also actually a little bit in government buildings, because mobility becoming more and more important in both the government but also enterprises workflow. Same thing in the outdoor environment. Initially, distributed networks was deployed in hard-to-reach areas, high-end residential areas where it was very difficult to build traditional macro networks. But now, over the last 3-4 years, it's been more and more capacity-oriented, so dense metropolitan area with a lot of people and a lot of usage.